It's like 10 steps.
Yeah, it's not gonna be bad at all.
Yes, it's gonna be fucking bad.
Just let me know when you're ready. Whenever you're comfortable in there.
Jackass, find one.
No, that's my friend. I feel bad if it's my friend. No offense. Is this kid conscious before we do this? Is he like...
This is fucking tight. Hold on, I need to...
That's what he said.
Corey will like it.
Hey, you wanna watch this? I'm pretty excited.
Hold on, let me make sure I'm can fit this shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
you fit. Are you ready?
Alright, Corey, tell me what's about to happen.
Well, we're about to push his ass down these stairs in this dog
Hey,
cage.
record this shit.
Hey, we need a Jackass title for it. What's this called?
It's called the dog pound. The dog pound.
Hold on.
Alright.
No, bro, are you drunk enough that if you hit your head, you're gonna still be
He's gonna hit his head. He's in a fucking cage.
Corey, tell me who's in there.
Corey's not...
Michael Zeck's in this damn
I'm
cage.
really nervous.
Catch me, you fucker.
Okay,
Are you ready?
I got you, babe.
Are you ready?
I literally am.
Look, watch her. She's gonna knock the fuck out. Watch this shit.
I'm about to be like, ah!
Are you ready?
No, I'm drunk. I got this. Ready?
Ready?
So this Julie's...
3, 2.
One!
Go.
Go!
Oh my god!
Oh,
Yes!
shit. Wait, Corey, get in the dog cage. I want to see you go down.
Do it again. Do it again.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, it's broken. Holy shit.
Alright, I'm not.
Get off it. Get off it.